Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself in a trade on TradingView and realized you want to adjust your stop loss, maybe to lock in some profits or tighten your risk, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how you can move an existing stop loss directly within TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel totally confident adjusting your stop losses in real time, and you'll understand why it's such a key skill for traders looking to stay on top of their risk management. Alright, let's dive right into it. Imagine you've got an active order already placed on TradingView. You can see it right there on your chart, and you'll notice that your take profit and stop loss lines are visible too. Now, let's say the market is moving and you decide you want to move your stop loss. Maybe price has gone in your favor and you want to protect some gains, or perhaps you just want to manage your position a little tighter. Here's exactly how to do it. First, find your stop loss line on the chart. It usually appears as a red dashed line, and it will be labeled clearly so you know which order it's tied to. When you hover your mouse pointer over this line, you'll notice it turns a brighter color and a little message pops up like drag to move. This is TradingView's way of telling you, hey, you can make a change here. So all you need to do is click and hold down your mouse button right on that stop loss line. Don't worry if you don't get it on the first try. Sometimes it's a little finicky, depending on how zoomed in your chart is. Just take your time, and if you need to, zoom in to make the line easier to grab. Now, while holding down the mouse button, simply drag the stop loss line up or down to wherever you want to place your new stop. If you're long, pulling your stop higher means you're protecting more profits as the market rises. If you're short, dragging it lower might help you limit losses if the trade goes against you. Think of this like moving a safety net up as a tightrope walker climbs higher. You're reducing your risk and potentially securing gains. Release the mouse button when you've moved the stop loss to your desired price level. At this point, TradingView will usually prompt you with a little confirmation box. This is an important step. TradingView wants you to double-check before making changes to your trade, so make sure you're happy with the new position. Take a quick look, and if everything looks good, just click Confirm. Once you've confirmed, TradingView will update your trade with the new stop-loss position. You might notice a brief delay, a few moments while the platform processes the adjustment and sends it to your broker. That's totally normal, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. Just wait for your chart to refresh and for the new stop-loss line to appear in its new spot. And that's it, you've successfully moved your stop-loss. So in just a few simple steps, click, drag, confirm, you can optimize your risk management on the fly without having to exit your trade or get tangled in complex menus. This is such a powerful tool in any trader's toolbox, and it makes active management on TradingView really intuitive. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or want tips on anything else TradingView related. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.